Hi, everybody. My name is Samira Farouk. I'm the Executive Director of Serendipity Healthcare Foundation based in Kano, Nigeria. Serendipity was birthed as a result of my late father that went into a coma and he couldn't have access to quality healthcare facilities. Now, the reason why I birthed Serendipity Healthcare Foundation is to help rural communities because they are the most vulnerable in terms of access to basic infrastructure, in terms of access to healthcare facilities, as well as education. Now, my joining into interventions for Tofa Community School is as a result of other interventions we've had in Tofa, and the community have been very, very inclusive in terms of the project, such that projects that we have done with them cuts across water sanitation and hygiene, women empowerment, waste to wealth in terms of agriculture. And after the project handover, the community took it upon themselves to continue in terms of sustainability. And I'm proud to say that Tofa has grown from where it was like a rural community, it is now a peri-urban community. We decided to do interventions in Tofa Community School because the school was lacking in terms of writing materials, in terms of quality teachers, in terms of the children finding it difficult to pay school fees to go to school. So in our research and in our data coalition, we found that the basic reasons for children not going to school in Tofa town is because they could not pay the school fees required, the tuition fees required. And most of them were even lacking in going to school because of hunger. You see, Tofa is a community that's on a scale of 1 to 10 in terms of development, they are at a 5, because although the community is an agrarian community, they find it hard to sell their farm products because they're on the outskirts of Kano State in northern Nigeria. So these are the difficulties that the community faces in terms of that. Hence, we felt that education is the bane of development of any community, of any human being. And so that's why we're concentrating to ensure that the children in Tofa community are well educated. Now, in terms of how communities, other stakeholders can come on board to be able to help them. In our project, we have what we call transparency and accountability. In all of our projects, we ensure that our stakeholders, both the community themselves, the donors, and everybody is involved, is included in terms of the design of the project, in terms of implementing the project, and as well as project handover. Because for every project we implement in our communities in Tofa, we ensure there's a steering committee that will take care of the project after project handover. So stakeholders can come in and join. It's not only in terms of giving cash donations, they could help in terms of giving infrastructure, such as laptops, because the community school they are lacking in terms of technology infrastructure. And so all of these things are things that are basically what is important to ensure that Tofa Community School goes beyond what it is today. And we have been able to get scholarships for 20 children through Unsung Heroes, and they're doing fine. And the report after this first term will be taken to them. But from the little survey we have done and the research, these children have upped their game in terms of education. Their grades have gone up. Thank you very much, and I hope you join us in ensuring that Tofa Community School in Kano, Nigeria becomes one of the best schools within the location. Thank you.